video on my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you the tutorial how to get Yasmin. As you can see, the players once go away from my side. Yeah, because I'm too beautiful. Let's start. It's not really hard to get her, to be honest. Yeah. You have to find Yasmin in the village and talk to her. And then you can read, you're looking for me, unlock me, right? Well, then I would like to give you a tip. Search for the flower of happiness in the Sapheniya forest. If you manage to find it, you will unlock me. Good luck, dear friend. I will stick to the north direction. So, and what she means with the north direction, you can see here the north, the east, the south, and the west. It reminds me so much of Yasmin the witch from Spring's Magical World. But anyways, let's go. North and go. Let us fly higher before anyone sees me. Hope no one starts to follow me. Okay, here we are. Now you have to fly, walk or jump on this island, this little island. Here at the Sapheniya map become a large improvement. So, and here is it, Flower of Happiness. You have to collect it and then you get Yasmin. I hope this tutorial was helpful. See you in the next video. Your Sabrina. Bye.